Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian Mexican tacos at home. We'll start by gathering all the fresh ingredients you'll need for a truly authentic taste. Then, we'll move on to preparing the flavorful vegetable filling, ensuring every bite is packed with zest. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling your tacos with wonderful toppings so you can enjoy a satisfying, homemade meal in about 30 minutes. For our delicious vegetarian tacos, you'll need about 12 soft corn tortillas. Grab one large onion and 2 colorful bell peppers, perhaps one red and one yellow, and dice them finely. Also, have one 15-ounce can of black beans and one 15-ounce can of sweet corn ready. Don't forget your preferred taco seasoning blend and some fresh cilantro for garnish. Now, let's create our flavorful filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become tender. Stir in the drained black beans, corn, and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Cook this mixture for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. It's time to assemble your mouthwatering tacos. Gently warm your corn tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds each, making them pliable. Spoon about 1/4 cup of the delicious vegetable filling into the center of each warm tortilla. Finish with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, sliced avocado, and a refreshing squeeze of lime juice. Serve immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.